Hi, Jared. Hey, is it illegal to shoot a seagull?
See, okay.
Shit, we've
So my
shot some.
cousin, he committed a crime. So anyways,
So have we.
we sat there in the backyard and he shoots this seagull.
Uh-huh.
I'm a little girl and I just ball up because I hate the gun sound.
Oh,
And I
okay.
ball up so I don't hear them say, "Run!"
Oh, no.
That seagull, like it's gaining speed, hits me in the back and takes me out.
Oh, what? Oh,
It was
karma.
no karma. It's traumatic.
Hmm.
My cousin was a dickhead.
Obviously.
Yeah, I didn't like him
Obviously.
much.
Okay.
He literally would hold me down, tickle my feet until I pissed myself.
What?
I know. I got really good at holding my,
But what enjoyment was he getting
because
out of
he's a
you
dickhead. He's an
peeing
asshole.
yourself? I would worry about the pee getting on me.